I'm going to Guamal this week. I look forward to this trip because I am one of my favorite places. One of the first things I'm going to the when I get to Guamal is a plate of suckling pink, which is delicious in the hotel Tom you can eat oreada carne, but I have heard that the authentic oreada meat is only bailable in the Llaneritas restaurant. I'm going to stay at Sister's house in the center of town. I am going to visit the tourist reserve of Guamal. I am going to take a lot of photos of the place of the interest to show my family when I return to Bogota. Finally, I am going to the summer festival because in the place of great importance and celebrity, this trip will be the best experience of my life because I'm going to go can explore ride motorcycle. I will be very happy.